My name is Mac. I'm a senior Power Platform consultant here at Reply, and today I'm going to be talking to you about creating Power Automate workflows using natural language. A quick recap for some of you that don't know, Power Automate is a cloud-based service within the Power Platform. Essentially allows you to automate manual and repetitive tasks across different applications and services without any coding experience. You can create and connect to various systems within the Microsoft ecosystem, such as Office 365, OneDrive, or SharePoint, but you can also connect to other third-party systems outside the Microsoft ecosystem. Getting started with Power Automate is really easy. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, then you're halfway there. Just head to make.powerautomate.com. On the left-hand side navigation, click on Create. There are 3 ways to create a workflow. One is from a template. Microsoft provided tons of different templates from common scenarios for you to choose from. The second is creating a workflow from a particular connector that you perhaps had in mind. You can then start to build connectors and actions around this particular connector. And lastly, creating a workflow from scratch. We'll be using a new AI feature that would allow you to describe it and design it. All right, now I'm going to walk you through how to create a Power Automate workflow using this new AI feature. Step 1, simply describe what you're trying to do in your own language. For example, this could be something like get items from a SharePoint list or library, or send me an email when a new document has been updated or requires my approval. Once you're happy, you'll be provided with a list of suggestions, and they'll be sectioned in 2 parts. One is a trigger, which tells you how this workflow is going to be initiated, and the second part is the list of actions that are going to be created. Step 2, this is where you review some of the connections that are going to be used within your workflow. These are automatically created for you, but if there's an issue, simply click on the Fix the Connection, which will re-authenticate the connection for you. This is the last step. This is where you finalize your workflow. It may require you to add more details. For example, if you are using SharePoint, it may require you to add a SharePoint list name or library name, or if you're sending an email, it may require you to enter an email address to send that email to. Once you're happy, click Create. The benefits of this new AI feature are: it uses GPT-3 AI model to translate a human-described process into an automation, making it easier for you to be productive. If you have a citizen developer program, it allows you to reach a wide variety of business users, bringing innovation and cutting-edge employee experiences. It will cut time from development to production, which can lead to cost savings. So now it's even easier to create a Power Automate workflow with this new AI feature. And we are seeing more and more Power Platform components being improved by artificial intelligence. So watch this space. We're a specialist in the Power Platform, so come speak to us. We'd love to talk to you more about Power Apps and Power Automate. Thanks for watching.